Hello, everyone. In this episode, we'll discuss about facial recognition. Okay, so here's a short motivation. In recent years, finance has been taking advantage of the deep learning capability of processing visual and vocal images and sounds and reflected into the investment strategies, for example. So here's a research by Hu and Ma at the JF, and it basically analyzed the video recordings of startup CEOs' presentation for pitches to get funding, and then um, try to predict how the funding will turn out to be. And you can see that, and one of the component is to recognize the visual images and well, the kind of confidence and emotion and these kind of things. So here we will look at some of the steps that's involved in this technology. So here is the Google Colab. And so we'll be using the FaceNet PyTorch library. Um, this is here how you install it. And First thing you do is we'll have to get the image. And the image is my face. I saved it here, so from the website. And using the request library, we'll read in this and using the um, Python imaging library, PIL format. So this is what we'll have. So, and then what we do is that, so now that the image is loaded, what we'll do is that we use the MTCNN, multitask cascaded convolutional network and this does many things, but among the things that it does is the face detection. And what it does is that, well, there are several steps, like 3 steps. The PNet generates the potential face candidates. It screens the candidates and draw a box, the bounding box of it. And then it passes on to the RNet, which kind of throws out the false positive on being fake faces, not a face, and just keep the correct one and further refine the box. And then finally, um, the QNet um, refine the box. So here's it's basically simply just a cookbook recipe of how to use it, the empty CNN, and give the device. And then the empty CNN returns the face boxes, and you can draw them. So in the box here, the top, right, bottom, left, top, right, bottom are stored in the box, the coordinates here. And if you display it, you can see that the face is here. All right. Um, it's not just for one phase. In fact, if you can have multiple phases, like in this case, okay, and you can run the same thing, boxes, but just loop around multiple phases. And you can do many things, not just draw the box, but you can crop the face and then draw it separately like this. Okay, so this was just simply to show how to use the face detection and the Python. Right? Thank you for watching this episode.